Okay, now, so as I told you that these, when we make sentences with perfect participes y, we need to have in the second place one helping verb. The helping verb can be either haben or sein. But in most of the cases, we have haben, but there are some verbs, there are some reasons for which we have in some, for some verbs, we have the verb as sein. So we'll be reading the three reasons here, two reasons actually, that reasons make it sein, you know. एंड इस रीजन के अलावा अगर आपको कोई साइन वाले वर्ब मिले तो आपको ये समझने की जरूरत है कि जर्मन्स दे डोंट फॉलो देयर रूल यू नो कंप्लीटली. दीज रूल्स आर नेवर फॉर 100% थिंग. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम द रूल जो यहाँ पे यूज हुए हैं उसके अलावा भी यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ब्स जो शायद इस रूल को फॉलो ना करे. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर के दैट इस वर्ब के साथ वी ऑलवेज हैव साइन. सो लेट्स सी. सो verben with sein als helps verb. So we have to see here that which verbs takes sein, that means ist, sind as their helping verb. So the first category of verb that takes sein is Ortsveränderung. Ortsveränderung means the change of place. So all the verbs in German, not all the, but majority of the verbs in German that shows change of place, they all take sein as their helping verb. For example, the number one verb I wrote here as an example, fliegen. Fliegen means to fly, to drive. And not to drive. Fahren is to drive. Fliegen is to fly. So when you fly means जब आप इधर से उधर उड़ते हो, that means with the help of maybe you would take up a flight, right? So it shows that you are changing your location from one place to another. So this verb is always we have to make it with ist. That is sein का third form. अगर ish होगा तो bin लगाएंगे, do होगा तो bist लगाएंगे. लेकिन अब every time when जब fliegen का जब participes y बनेगा तो वो ist लगा के बनेगा because this is a verb that shows change of place. That's why the helping verb has to be sein. Right? Ist geflogen. Yeah. We'll not talk about ki fliegen, geflogen kaise hua. That's the next topic. Right now, we're only discussing ki which verbs take sein as a helping verb. So the first verb you saw, the first example you saw is the one verb that shows change of place. So it will take sein as a helping verb. Second example I gave here. Meine Schwester ist gestern nach Delhi geflogen. My sister went to Delhi yesterday. So in that case, again we are using fliegen. It shows that the sister वो पहले दिल्ली से कहीं और थी, but she went to or she flown to Delhi yesterday. So we have used here ist. Why ist? Because meine Schwester is the third form, so we have used here ist. Form sein का form है ist third person. Okay. Now next verb which I have taken here is common. Common मतलब होता है to come. So when again come shows change of place. आप कहीं जाना, right? उसका जब हम बनाते हैं participes y तो ist लगा के बनाते हैं. The helping verb is ist gekommen. Yeah. For example, the Frau is nicht gekommen. The Frau has not come. तो come is a verb that shows movement. That's why इसके साथ हम जब भी haben और sein में से अगर हमें लगाना होगा तो we would choose sein. Yeah. So common and fliegen, two examples clear that shows change of place. And why do we use sein with it as a helping verb? Klar? Verstanden? Samriddhi and Revati?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then the next reason here for which we need to use sein, it's Zustandsveränderung. Zustandsveränderung means change of state. State means वो city वाला state नहीं, दिल्ली वाला not that state. State मतलब होता है, for example, the first verb, sterben. Sterben का मतलब होता है to die. So die मतलब to be dead. So ये change आपका state, आपका जो state है वो change कर रहा है. पहले आप जिंदा थे, now you are dead. So this is what change of state means, right? तो sterben के साथ जब हम use करेंगे hills verb, तो it has to be sein का form. Ist gestorben. Ist gestorben. So death shows that you were alive, but now you are dead. So it shows change of state. Yeah, pehle alive, now dead. So that's why it would take ist as a helping verb. I have an example for you here. Gestern ist eine Freundin von mir gestorben. that means yesterday a friend of mine, she was dead, like she passed away. Yeah, she was dead. So it means that before yesterday she was alive, but kal she passed away, right? So this shows change of state. तो sterben और ऐसे जो भी verbs होंगे जो change of state को दर्शाएंगे और they would have the meaning same to that, they would take sein as their helping verb. Second word which I have here as an example is aufstehen. Aufstehen means to wake up. So it is also changing your state. Pehle you were sleeping and now you're awake. So with the verb aufstehen, we can say that the change of place, change of state is taking place. You were sleeping before and now I'm awake. One example is given here. Gestern bin ich 6 Uhr aufgestanden. So you can see here I have used the verb. I have used the helping verb bin because the subject was ich, right? Aufgestanden, that is the participle zwei, aufgestanden. So I have used it with ist. So it shows that yesterday I woke up at 6 o'clock. So it means that you were sleeping before 6 o'clock, but at 6 baje आप उठ गए. तो जिस तरह के ये verbs हैं जो state of change of state show करते हैं, they normally take ist or sein, ist as their helping verb. Am I clear with the two examples? When do we need to use sein? One in the change of place, जब location change होता है, and then other one change of state. Am I clear with these two? And then we have got some specific verbs जिनका मतलब शायद कुछ भी हो, but they always use sein with their as their helping verb. पहला एग्जाम है passieren. Passieren means to happen. Passieren का मतलब होता है happen. अब happen में there is no as such की movement है, नहीं है, place change है, but happen is one verb जिसका हम ist लगा के बनाते हैं participle zwei. Bleiben. Bleiben मतलब होता है to stay. And this is the completely the opposite meaning. Bleiben matlab hota hai stay, so you would think that ma'am stay, how come stay is taking sein? But this is an exception. Whenever we are using the verb or whenever we'll be using the verb bleiben, we have to use ist geblieben. We have to use the verb ist, helping verb ist. Even though there is no change of place. Bleiben matlab hota hai to rukna. तो रुकने में तो कोई change of place नहीं है, still हम इसके साथ लेते हैं ist. That is sein का form. And werden. Werden मतलब होता है to become something. तो become में obviously it is change of state, right? क्योंकि आप कुछ थे but कुछ बन रहे हो. तो become is a one such verb in German that takes sein as the helping verb. So इस तरह से कुछ और verbs आपको मिलेंगे जो शायद rule के बाहर जाएं, but then you have to remember कि these verbs always they take sein as the helping verb. Am I clear here? Okay. Now let's do some examples based on the rule that we just did. So let's see some of the examples here, and then we will see how do we change a verb to participle zwei. So, fahren, what do you think? Is sein or haben? Kya lega?
Sein.
It will take sein, right? So sein से हम जो भी हमारा इसका participle बनेगा वो sein से बनेगा. Revati, sein or haben?
Sein.
Sein, right? Samriddhi, sein or haben?
Haben.
Okay. Anybody has a doubt why spielen is haben? Normally, I have got the question from the student that, ma'am, how come spielen is haben, right? Ein Moment, bitte. This is los. Ma'am, I won't be able to take class today. I'm ill. Who is that? 2 days ago. Who mailed me? Preeti? I don't know. Okay, let it be. So spielen. So I have got the students. I have got this from my students that ma'am spielen मतलब तो खेलना होता है. तो खेलने में तो movement होता है. But then I used to give them the answer कि आप मोबाइल लेके अगर सोफा पे खेल रहे हो तो how come there is a movement? Yeah. Playing can be both. खेलने वाला भी, बैठ के खेलने वाला भी और दौड़ के खेलने वाला भी, बट जर्मन वालों ने इनको haben कंसिडर किया है। तो जब भी हम स्पिलन का पार्टिसिप्स y बनाएंगे तो वो haben से बनेगा। लेट्स मेक tanzen, to dance. Haben oder sein? Was denken Sie?
Sein.
But it is haben. Logic behind it, I had a question, ma'am, how come dance is sein? मेरी मैम ने कहा था that Devrapa, you know that German, they don't follow their own rule. Moreover, if for example you're sitting and you feel like dancing, you can dance, right? It doesn't mean that you have to walk away to dance. Dance is like when you're sitting, you just can move your leg and you can just, so it doesn't really show that you have to move your place to dance. Not logical, right? अगर नाचने का मूड हो रहा है, पैर में दर्द है, नहीं उठ सकते हैं, तो हम बैठ बैठ के if you want to like feel like, so it's just that, you know, it's logic. I was so happy with the logic that okay, सही तो बोल रही है मैम कि ना डांस करने का मूड है तो वो बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि मुझे अपने रूम से अपने दीदी के रूम में जाना पड़ेगा डांस करने के लिए. So there is no point of place, yeah, so we'll consider haben. Okay, then we have here, let me take out a, okay, machen. Haben oder sein?
Sein.
Sein. Machen. Sein.
Machen is, I forgot.
Machen is to do. To do.
Haben.
Machen is haben, right? Kochen. Anybody?
Haben.
Haben. Lernen. Lernen.
Haben.
Haben. Right? Then we have laufen. Run.
Sein.
Right. So we have discussed here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 verbs, out of which you were right with the 7, right? Answer you might have missed. Like I told you, it's not sein, it's haben. Otherwise, you were able to guess for the rest of the 7. Yeah. So with the rule, that's why the rule is being there, that you have to guess the majority. It doesn't really, mean to guess all of them, but you should be in a position to guess कि majority of the verbs sein लेंगे, haben लेंगे. So sein, haben का scene clear हुआ. Why sein, why haben?